Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is a new day. It is 6:30 a.m. I'm waiting on a Spark delivery and then I will be on my way to work. But I'm just glad to see a new day and glad that God allowed me to see this new day and to be able to have the activity of my limbs and be able to go out and work and provide for myself. So I will be back once I get a good delivery. And if I don't get one, then I will see you guys a little later. All right, guys, one just came in for $15.90, and it is a 2 drop off. Let's go get this order and go to work. All right, guys, we're at the Walmart and we're going to get spot number 1. All right, guys.
Head west toward Virginia 171 West.
The first delivery is going to a house, and it is 4 minutes away. Let's go. Alright, guys, out here they having a neighborhood yard sale, which is awesome. If I won't go on to work, I will be back. Okay, we're going to the next house. It says please leave groceries on bench. Alright, and it is, come on now, 7 minutes away. Let's get it, guys. All right, guys. Both drop-off has been completed, and it's only 7:16. That was a quick. I was a little worried because I thought the first one was going to be a little further than I expected, but it wasn't. The first one was only 4 minutes away from the store. So let's go to work. Hey guys, I thought I'll pop back in, and while I'm here driving to work, I was just thinking about 2 of the gig jobs that I do, which is Poplin, the laundry, and Spark, the Walmart delivery. And I was thinking about the pros and the cons of both. And the pros and cons of each, where with Spark, you get paid instantly if you have what they call the one card. And with Poplin, you don't have the option of getting paid instantly unless there is a fee. There's, I think, a 3% fee to get your money instantly into your account within 30 minutes. And the other pros and cons are with Spark, you're driving, multiple miles to, deliver customers' groceries. Versus with Poplin, you're only doing the pickup and the drop off that one particular time. Which is just kind of the same because you are, well, no, it's not, because with Spark, once you drop off, you go to that person's house one time and that's it. With Poplin, you're going twice. You're going first to pick it up and then second to drop the laundry off. And also the pros with Poplin, you get to work from home. You just pick it up, take it to your house or wherever you do the laundry at, and then you drop it back off. But with that, it's still like a longer process versus with Spark. Once you drop that off that one time, you're not going back to the customer's home. And also, let me think of another pros and cons. Well, I do like that both you give tips. You get tips. Now with Spark, although it said pending tips, you have to wait a couple of days before you get your tip. Now with Poplin, you're still waiting to get your tips, but it's showing up more quickly if the customer decides to go ahead and tip you the same day that you delivered their laundry. But in most cases, sometimes they'll wait until they have another order, and then they remember they did never tip you. But anyway, I was just sitting here just thinking of the pros and the cons of both Poplin and Spark. But anyway, I'm on my way to work. You guys have a wonderful Saturday morning. A wonderful Saturday morning. Tomorrow I will be on my way going out of town to pick up my daughter from Virginia Tech. This is the end of this school year. And then she has an internship that she's doing this summer. So tomorrow morning I'll be leaving out hopefully before 7 a.m. to make that four-hour drive. Anyway, guys, you be blessed, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh, and I just want to pop back in and say, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up the video. It will definitely help me to get monetized more quickly and my videos pushed out there. And come and be a part of the Mom with the Gig Mom on a Mission family. Someone's trying to get over in my lane. Come and be a part of the Gig Mom on a Mission family. And you guys have a wonderful Saturday. Be blessed.